Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make shortcut on Snapchat app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. Then at the top right corner of your screen you guys can see three dots. Tap on here and then after new chat option you guys can find out new shortcut. Then if you tap on new shortcut, then you guys can find out your friend's contact and you just have to select the person that you want to add in your shortcut. For example, I'm going to choose this person to my shortcut, or you guys can select multiple person like this. Then you guys can add emojis by tapping on here. I'm going to choose this emoji, and then if you tap on create shortcut you guys can create a new shortcut and then tap on done. So this is how you can make a shortcut on Snapchat app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.